Good morning. Happy countdown to summer. We're almost there and it is day 16. So, day 16? No, I'm sorry, that was yesterday. It's 17. Day 17. Oh my goodness, we're almost there. So, day 17 means it's an odd day, and that's Pinkee Jeans Day for me to open something up. Anyways, so again, this is Jennifer, Day with Jennifer. Down below, you can click on the links to go see Pinkee Jean and Kel's Kitchen to see what they get today. We've done a collab where we swap things around, and I sent them each something, and they each sent us something, and so every other day we open something from each other. Except for I didn't give myself something, so you can figure that out. All right, here we go. Today is going to be a blessing card, and let's see. Number 17 says summer orange juice. Orange juice. That is summerish, you know, the oranges blooming, blossoming. If you've ever lived in Florida like we have. Oh, how cute. How sweet it is. This is adorable. Look at that. That is super cute. Ain't it cute? Look at it. Aw. How sweet it is. It is. It's sweet. Thank you, Auntie. Okay. Blessing time. Let's see what our blessing is for today. I have these cute little cards for those of you that don't know. And I'm sharing a blessing with you. So some of them have scriptures, other of them have just little phrases, and this one's a phrase. It says, "May peace and love be yours." I think that's a wonderful message for today. There's so much hate, so much evil, and so much ickiness going around in this world. May peace and love be yours. That's the message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go down below, click the links, see what they got, and come back tomorrow. We're almost there. I think that's it. If I forgot anything, I'm sorry. It's early in the morning. I have to go to work. So, see you tomorrow. Bye.